everyone, my name is Bhavya and I am a child development trainer at Little. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why do we snap at kids and how to not do it. So we're going to understand the reasoning behind why do we get overly angry in situations where we don't want to get angry, where it was probably not necessary, or probably after certain hours we do feel guilty about it. So if you are struggling to respectfully parent and you find yourself getting frustrated or just snapping at children, no matter how much you've practiced or no matter how many books you've read about it, how many parenting techniques you have up your sleeve, how many Instagram pages you follow or videos you've seen, if you still find yourself doing that, then it's probably because there is some internal work to do, and it has been proven by experts. So the mainstream parenting, which is characterized by control or elements like conditional approval, love, is so harmful for our children, and we know that there are living examples of these people, and which is why we want to do better, which is also why we're probably watching this video. So if we want to have all of these things in a relationship with our children, it is possible, but how can we hope to understand our children, be compassionate with them, have a respectful relationship with them when we can't even do these things for ourselves or with ourselves, when we can't respect our own selves? We need to understand our past and move through it by showing ourselves compassion, by showing ourselves respect. If we don't do this, we will be snapping at children, we will be getting overly angry in situations by not even realizing it. We're all triggered in our own ways. Whether we accept it or not, our children do take us back to our own past, to our own childhood wounds. And if we never got a chance to walk through these emotional wounds as children, we need to do it now. This will help us become the parent that our child deserves, and it is not only to help the children get better parents, it's also for us as individuals, as humans. It'll help us become better version of ourselves. So without further ado, let's just move on to understand how to not do it, how to stop, how to control and manage, regulate our emotions in a way where we can deal with them instead of projecting that in our children. So first thing is we have to take the opportunity that our children present to us to heal, to learn, to grow. The saddest part is that a lot of parents don't see this as an opportunity, but I would say this is the perfect opportunity to become a better parent while you're already a parent. Take the opportunity that your child provides to you to understand your triggers first of all. Make a list of all the situations where you have been triggered, where you feel that you have overreacted, and make a list of that. Try to analyze all these situations where you've been triggered. Once you know that, the next step will be to find out why. When you find out what is triggering you in the situation, is it the child's behavior that you're reacting to, or is it something much more than that? Is it your past? Is it the child inside of you that still needs to hear a few things that they weren't told in the past? So figure out why is this happening, why is the particular situation triggered. The third thing you need to do is show empathy to yourself. Empathy can be so incredibly healing. Once you know why you're feeling whatever you're feeling, why you're getting triggered in any situation that you are, try to understand what did the child inside of you needed to hear in that situation. Probably it's just saying something like, okay, that was hard and I'm really proud of myself to be able to deal with it. Or I was really sad at that time and whatever happened with me was not okay. I am not worthy of that. I feel worthless because of that right now, but I know that I am better than that. These simple phrases can work miraculously.